Another dip for gold and silver? Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Andre J. McClendon. Thank you for coming to my channel. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. But in this video, I'm going to talk about what's going happening in the markets right now. Cryptocurrency, gold and silver. These things are on discount. They have dipped in the markets. So for me, I see this opportunity to buy more. When it comes to precious metals, let's go to that category first. Physical, I'm buying physically. So off of APMEX, using their storage with Citadel. When it comes to the markets, I'm looking at SLVO, SLV, some of the other ETNs and ETFs for those. This seems like another good buying time. The banks want to push down the markets even lower, shaking out traders. And for me, I'd say this is a really good opportunity to get into the markets and basically for this move up, recapitalize off of this even more. And also when it comes to gold, gold ETFs, it would be like a GLD. So if you want to check those out, look at them. I'm not telling you what to do with the buy of them. I'm buying them personally myself. And just to get on the move back up, because these are on discount. There's some making things a little bit cheaper, so making the buy even better for me. What else? When it comes to crypto, guys, for me, I have exited a lot of my crypto positions and using those proceeds to buy more precious metals. I think the precious metals are way more undervalued. And if you guys have any thoughts on that, please drop a comment below. But with that undervalue, with those being so much more undervalued, the gain up has been even better. So for me, sell crypto like Bitcoin or XRP, the only two that I really get involved with. Sell those and use the proceeds to buy more precious metals and get into some more market positions and stocks and ETFs, specifically in those areas. But that's it, guys. Tell me what you guys' thoughts are about this video. If you like this, like, share, and subscribe. If you want to learn more about my business and what I do, just hit me up on Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn, and we can have that discussion, or head to my website and go to that gold and silver box and learn more about precious metals. So thank you, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.